You, just tell me what to do.
Pakistan today, the government there.
Caden, everyone has to figure out their own life, you know?
I just want you to look at me the way you used to.
I can't anymore.
No, I'm sorry. I screwed everything up, and I don't have any courage. And I'm sorry.
Caden, I'm okay.
I don't want you to be okay. I mean, I do, but it just rips my guts out.
I hope he's true.